Get ready to unlock the secrets of the pros. We're diving deep into the world of apple growing, uncovering the simple but effective tricks that will leave you with a harvest you never thought possible. 5 useful facts about apple growing. 1. Choosing the right variety is key. Every region has apple varieties best suited for its climate. For example, Antonovka thrives in colder climates, while Golden Delicious, or Gala, perform well in warmer areas. 2. Proper pruning boosts harvests. Annual spring pruning is essential. Remove dead, diseased, or inward-growing branches to improve airflow and sunlight penetration, which leads to more and better fruit. 3. Watering. Timely and consistent. Although apple trees have deep roots, they need regular watering, especially during flowering and fruit development. Deep watering every 7 to 10 days is ideal. 4th pest control starts. Early common pests, like codling moth and aphids, can ruin your crop. Begin treatment in early spring with organic insecticides or natural remedies to prevent infestation. 5. Fertilizing doubles your yield. In early spring, apply nitrogen-rich fertilizers like ammonium phosphate. During summer, use phosphorus and potassium-based fertilizers to boost fruit quality and tree health.